Hi, I'm Dale from Martin Brothers, and we're in the kitchen today to cook lunch for the team. I'm doing some honey soy garlic, and let's get into it. So this is the honey soy chicken. We've had this marinating in the fridge for a couple of hours. A little bit of extra soy, some garlic. We'll let this simmer away for about 20 minutes and it'll be ready to go. So just preparing some of the cos lettuce. This is what we'll be using for our chicken and rice, using the leaves as a cup and just getting into it with our hands. So we've got a lot of mouths to feed today, so we're on to our second load of rice. It won't take more than about 20 minutes. Just getting the chicken ready, cutting it up into some smaller pieces so we can have some individual pieces with our rice and our lettuce, just using our fingers today. So we're just waiting for the second batch of the rice to be cooked. We'll call the team out and we'll all sit down and enjoy each other's company.